Windows 11 got leaked last week, but I don't recommend you guys to install it because it's not an official release from Microsoft. The official one will be announced on the June 24th. Until then, any copies of Windows 11 could be modified and therefore could contain malware. Anyways, let's check out what Windows 11 looks like. When you launch Windows 11 for the first time, you'll see the out-of-box experience. And you'll have to select things like what country you are in or what type of keyboard layout you want to use. One item of note during the setup process is that you need to sign in with either a personal Microsoft account or a work or school account. There's no option to just sign in with a local account. One other item note during the setup process is that you'll also see a prompt asking you how you plan on using your device. Are you gonna use it for gaming or creativity? Or maybe you're just gonna focus on business. Now, presumably depending on the option that you choose here, this will affect what the Windows 11 experience looks like. For instance, if you select gaming, maybe you'll see Solitaire and Candy Crush as recommendations on the start menu. Here I'm just gonna select business and let's see what happens. And once we finish running through all those fonts, our computer is being set up and it will take a few minutes. And check that out. This now drops us into the Windows 11, so we get a first look of what it looks like. And just to confirm that this is in fact Windows 11, I'm gonna press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. And right up here I can confirm that this is in fact Windows 11. So this is what the desktop looks like. Now let's shift down to the taskbar. And one thing you've noticed already is that my start menu is no longer on the left-hand side, and I don't have my app tiles on the taskbar next to it. Instead, the entire cluster has been moved to the center. With pinned, when I went through the setup before, I had to pick what I was interested in. I said I was interested in gaming, as here you see Xbox and Solitaire. I also said I was interested in creativity, so here I see Photoshop. And here is the search icon. Hey, race a time lapse of rest of the new features in Windows 11.